Hey guys, it's the next morning, and little Sasha over here is about to go on this tire swing. Wait, you have to get on. My voice is kind of like weird right now, but my voice is not like this in real life. Yeah, that's not happening. You have to move it like over here because this is not happening. Then move the ladder over here. Sometimes this video like cuts out for some reason, and it's really fucking annoying. And if you're a adult and you don't like cussing, sorry, deal with it. No cussing.
Oh no, parents. I smell parents. I smell parents.
Here, guys. She has to move the ladder or I will hit it. And I got like super fat. Yes? You have to move the ladder.